Now at 6, a father is mourning the loss of his wife and one of his twin daughters killed in a lightning strike in Margate. It happened in less than a second Sunday afternoon. CBS News Miami's Ted Scouten is your reporter in Margate. And Ted, this man saw and felt the strike too.
Yeah, Lauren, obviously it's quite a powerful strike. Now, this happened just as the family was pulling into the driveway. They all were getting out of the car trying to get into the house quickly because of the rain. The father and one daughter made it in safely. The mother and another daughter did not.
That was my hero next to my dad because I wanted to show for people how my wife does.
Cameron in Glasgow is devastated. His wife Kenya and one of his twin daughters, 2-year-old Kennedy, are gone. Killed from a lightning strike right outside their home.
We just got here for family dinner, and we saw that the rain was picking up, and we just said, hey, we got to get the girls inside. So just a simple thing that anybody would do. Hey, put a blanket on their head, let's just get inside before the rain picks up, that's all.
At the young age of 2, Kennedy was well known in family circles for her singing, while her mom was the heart of the family.
I thought my biggest blessing was God sending me my 2 daughters to me once my dad passed. Just for one of them to be gone now it's tough. It's tough.
I get through by sorry. Yes, the whole thunder and lightning thing it's tough.
Leilani Day still gets uncomfortable when there's thunder and lightning. She knows the pain the Glasgow family is feeling. 2 years ago, her 16-year-old son Cameron was also struck and killed by lightning. He was by a tree that was hit by lightning. The odds of that happening is less than 1 in a million.
I never in a million years would have thought that my son, or anyone I know personally, would have lost their lives being struck by lightning.
And Ms. Day recommends that if you hear thunder, get inside as quickly as possible and certainly do not go under a tree. Meanwhile, a fundraiser has been set up for the family online to help pay expenses. Live in Margate, Ted Scouten, CBS News Miami.
So heartbreaking for any family who knows this pain. Ted, thank you.